Have you always wanted your lawn to look like this? Welcome to the Great Green North. My name is Wade Murray. I'm going to help make your lawn look like this with this simple, easy trick that can make your lawn look as awesome as this behind me. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe. We got lots of great more lawn content coming up, including watering, how to keep your lawn green all summer, fertilizer, and all that kind of stuff. So make sure you hit subscribe. Now I get questions all the time about how I can make the lines in the lawn, just like a regular MLB baseball field or major league field that you would see with those beautiful light and dark lawn stripes. Now all this is an optical illusion. As a matter of fact, right now the sun is behind me. So when I walk up farther and I look back at the lawn the other way, you will not be able to see the stripes very predominantly, and that is because the sun is behind me. When I make it here and turn around, as you can see here, you can no longer see the stripes very easily because the sun is now in front of you. However, when I walk up this way and I turn around, now the sun is in front of me, the stripes are behind me. So when I'm facing the stripes, the sun is behind me, and that allows me to see those lawn stripes. So what makes it happen? Well, let's talk about what happens when you cut your grass. So right here, we're right at where a stripe divides. So here is the light stripe, and here is what appears as the dark stripe. As you can see, the grass on the light stripe is slightly pushed over this way, and the grass on the dark stripe is standing up straight. If anything, when you look at it, it's slightly pushed back towards me, and this is what gives the light and dark appearance. So have you ever sat on like a velvet couch and ran your hand up and down and saw how there's those light and dark colors that appear? It's the same thing with your lawn. When you mow, you go the one direction first, and that lays the grass blades over that way, allowing the sun to reflect off the grass and give it a lighter appearance. However, when those blades are flipped back towards you, when the sun reflects off the grass blade, it gives it a darker appearance. And this is how you get that striping look. Now, most of the time on a regular lawnmower, they have built-in stripers like flaps on the back of the lawnmower, but there's a way that you can take it to the next level to help it look like mine does, or like that Major League Baseball field, and that is a lawn striper kit or a lawn roller. Basically what this is it's a giant brush or roller that goes behind the lawnmower and brushes the grass over to make your stripes more consistent. Especially if you're doing a riding mower, you're going to see those tire marks come out in your stripes a lot more predominantly. As you can see here, you can see the tire marks in the stripe and the brush that goes in the middle. So without further ado, let's show you my striping kit that's on my mower currently. Alright, so on my current lawnmower under here is the mower deck. So you're gonna get natural stripes from the tires. Each of the tires are gonna roll the grass as it goes. But what's happening in this gap between the tires, this is where you'll get the grass that doesn't get rolled, and that's where this comes in, the lawn striping kit. So this back here is basically a layer of brushes that sits lower than the mower, and basically it just brushes the grass over to give you that striped look in between both the tires. Okay, so how are you gonna make stripes? Well, number one, you need to figure out where your property is in direction to the sun. So my property faces east-west. So right now the sun is going down in the west, it rises in the east and comes over me, over my house like that. So for me to have the stripes in the backyard visible in the afternoon, which is when most people are going to see it, I want the stripes to be going this way, pointed directly away from the sun, or else I'm not going to be able to see them. So that's why I look at the sun, I look at my $100 view, or the view that most people are going to look at the lawn, which is right here from the deck where we're standing, and I point all my stripes in that direction. Now you can do whatever pattern you want. You can do vertical stripes up and down, diagonals. Right now I have waves. You can do whatever pattern you'd want, zigzags, all that different type of stuff. It's just as simple as doing an edge pass all the way around, making your first pass go up and your second pass back towards us, and then up and back towards us, back and forth like that. That's as simple as it is to make stripes in your lawn just like this. Now, if you're talking about a checkerboard pattern like I show you here, that's just as simple as making your first pass of stripes vertical, and then at the same time, same mow, doing your second pass of stripes the other way to either make the checkerboard or the diamonds, as I've done a couple times. Basically mowing over top of your lawn in two different directions, burning in those stripes, and that gives you that diamond look. So without further ado, let's go to my front yard. I'll tell you how I assess the $100 view and where I assess the stripes. This is my driveway, my $100 view. The sun is behind me. When I look at my front lawn, everybody's gonna come in the house, down the street, in the house this way, and we are looking at vertical stripes currently. And there's a little bit left of the horizontals that I burned in last week. And this is your $100 view from here. People are looking up the street towards your house. The sun is behind you. That allows you to see those stripes in your front lawn. It's a simple thing, but it can help take your lawn from that level to the next level. And if you're looking for more simple tips just like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be starting this new series called Simple Tips Under 7 Minutes right here on the channel. So subscribe for more. We'll get those coming in as soon as possible. From the Great Green North, my name is Wayne Murray. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, keep it green.
You want it for